Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by making the car safe and accessible. First, park level, engage the parking brake and chock the rear wheels so nothing rolls. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts while you work and clean corrosion if present. Once done, open the hood and do a focused visual inspection. Check fluid levels, belt tension, battery voltage with a multimeter and a quick fuse check. These actions prevent damage and give you immediate clues about the problem. You now narrow down the fault with methodical tests. Start by recreating the symptom and listening for specific noises or noting warning lights, because details guide parts to inspect. Then use a multimeter to test battery voltage, starter draw, or continuity. If available, read diagnostic trouble codes to pinpoint systems. Once you have a lead, lift, and support the car using jack stands and remove protective covers to reach the component. Make sure connectors are clean and fasteners are organized. You perform the repair following the diagnosis. Remove the old part, compare it to the new one, and install with correct torque and any new seals. Improper fit causes leaks or failures. Once reassembled, reconnect the battery and run a functional test. Start the engine, monitor gauges, and take a short test drive to confirm fix under load. If symptoms return, rescan codes, inspect wiring and grounds, and double-check fuses. Often a loose connector or poor ground is the lingering culprit.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.